they call me. Promise that you'll never be lonely.
Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel and thank you for coming back and visiting me. Go ahead, grab a seat, kick up your feet, but don't ask for nothing to eat because your girl is hungry. Today, you guys, as you can see, I have Popeyes. This is going to be a casual sit down because I did not want to miss a meal without y'all. I got some ice water, baby. And I got some drumsticks and some wings. I was watching Anna SMR. The link to the video I just watched will be in the description box. And in her hand, she had the new Popeyes chicken sandwich. Now, I have already tasted the new Popeyes spicy chicken sandwich. Link will be in the description box. But, you know, they're coming out again. I watch her videos like, dang, I need some Popeyes. That's why I'm here with you today. While I was there, I just had to ask, when is your Popeyes chicken sandwich coming back out? And she said it will be out tomorrow. I don't think they made a big announcement because it might get over flooded again. So I asked her, are you guys ready? And she said, the only reason why we stopped last time is because of corporate. I live here in Portland, and we're probably small compared to some other places. So, I don't think here in Portland we ever ran out of the chicken sandwiches. We just stopped because corporate said to stop. She said we never really ran out. She said the trucks couldn't fit enough sandwiches that was on demand. I don't know. She said she usually sells 3,000 sandwiches a day. She said now that it's launching, they're going to do like a morning, like 10, like from 7 to 11, and then another evening like 6 to 9. She said that they had to stop the sandwich because it was in so high demand. They had to get prepared and hire more staffing and stuff like that. And I said, do you think it's going to be a permanent item? She said yes. So yeah, I said I'll see you tomorrow. It's official in my town, Portland. We never ran out. They just have to stop because other places ran out, and it was just unfair to have some states have it and some states don't. That don't make no sense because sometimes new products come out and it don't never come out in my state. Anyway, I have a question. Do y'all think that the new Popeye chicken sandwich is going to be big like it was the first time it came out? Are you guys going to go get one? I know I am. And I'm not doing it because the next person doing it. I'm doing it because I really enjoyed the sandwich. If you guys haven't seen my video, I will link it in the description. I had my daughters in that video with me, so I never got a chance to film a solo video because the sandwich ran out before I can refilm another one. Talking about selling out. Y'all seen that Beloved and relaunched her sauce in the mild flavor. And it sold out in about 3 hours, she said. 3 to 4 hours. Did you get you one? I didn't get one. I didn't make as big of an effort to get one. I'd seen her original video to say that she dropped her sauce, and then I clicked on the link and I couldn't sign on to my Amazon for some reason, and I just stopped trying. That's the reason why I didn't get it. So before I could try again, it sold out. I didn't think it was going to sell out that fast because, you know, I thought people were going to be like, oh, she came out with her sauce. We all got her sauce. We're over it. I don't need to get her sauce because I've tasted it. People make too big of a deal over it. I'm not going to buy her sauce. I thought her sauce was going to slow down. I guess not. Maybe it's because, number one, people didn't get the first round. Number two, they didn't want spicy. They want mild. I know a lot of people don't like spicy. That's weird. I mean, that's not weird. I told my coworker today that I do a YouTube video of eating show videos. So he clicked on my YouTube channel. I went to YouTube and found my channel. And he was going through my thumbnails. And he was going through my title of my videos. He started laughing. He said, if I would never known you and I watch your video and I seen this, I swear that you should smoke weed all the time to be able to eat that food. Believe it or not, you guys, I do not smoke weed. It's crazy, though. A lot of people do. Some people have to have it part of their life. It's legal to buy weed here. Anyways, y'all, if you're new here, you guys, go and adventure off into my channel so you can get to know who I am. Trying to get the feel of my videos, and I have some great videos that I have posted in the past that you don't get to see because you haven't ventured off in my past videos. You guys, if you like who I am and you like my channel, go ahead and subscribe. If you like this video, hit the like button and comment down below. I know you have something to say about the new Popeyes chicken sandwich and about Beloved's new spicy sauce launch. So please comment down below. Let me know what's on your mind. I was craving some of their chicken wings. Got this little piece left and I'll be done. How many I ate? 3 wings and a drum? You guys, these challenges that's going on right now on YouTube, there's some crazy challenges. I have done some challenges. You guys go take a look. I would link a challenge in my description box. How many videos? I have to link Anna ASMR's video, my Popeyes video, and a challenge video down in the description box, y'all. If you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button, folks. I am trying to reach my 1,000 subscriber mark. You guys, I've recently been tagged in the video, weird food combination video with Oreo cookies and black eyed peas. Who does that? Stay tuned. Hit your notification bell so you won't miss out on my upcoming videos. The end. Shout out to Anna ASMR. Shout out to all my new subscribers that's hitting that bell button right now. And to all my wonderful subscribers that's been here since the beginning. Thank you guys for watching my channel. And until next time, you guys. Bye.